One thing people do not change in their car. I know they don't change. They don't even know about it. I don't think they even know about it. But one thing they don't change in their car, you will see. I'm going to show you right now. Nobody knows. Some people know, some people don't. But stay tuned. Alright, first things first. This is the cabin filter. In these cars, you know, it's the 03 Max. You know, they come to me naturally, so these are all I work on, pretty much. But it's the cabin filter. It's behind your glove box. People call it glove box. People call it glove compartment. It's a glove box. Behind the glove box. This is where you put the gloves. It's a glove box or whatever. Yeah. In these cars, there's a couple bolts. There's a bolt right here, bolt over here. You gotta take this off right here. Let's take this off. This side trim. Let's take this off. Pull it off. Just pull it off. Take this off right here. Take this off. Let's pull it right out. All right. This should be a bolt here. There's a bolt right here. Bolt right there. Alright, let's take them out. Let's take them out right now. Bolt right here. Speed drill would be nice, but alright, just like that. Take it off. The ones in here. Oh, right there. Alright. You gotta take these off too, right here. In the middle. Two of these in the middle. If you have a speed drill, this will be much faster. I know, I gotta use my hand, so. Alright, this one right here. Dang, this one right here, bam. So, shit. Okay. Alright. See, it should come out. Okay. Should be one under here too. Should be one right here. You see? Take that off right here, right under. Compartment right here. The glove box, compartment, whatever you want to call it. I'll call it glove box. Alright. This one right there, right under. I should fall, should drop. Disconnect your airbag, passenger airbag. You just pull it off, or you just take these two clips right here. Just take it off. Alright. Take the light off too. This, you can twist it off, you can just take this clip right here, squeeze it. Pull out. Alright. It's beautiful. And there you go. This is where it is. Nobody know about this. I bet you nobody knows. Some people do, some people don't. In these cars, I doubt people change this, because I don't think they know they have it. But it's it right here. Alright, let's take this clip off right here. I pull it off. You could use a flathead. I'm using a screwdriver. It's the same shit. So all you gotta do is pull it. See that? Pull it off like that. Bam. And alright, just push up. Push up, pull it out. You see that? Do you see that? Do you see it? Look, dirty. Look at that. Dirty. It's with the air you breathe in. When you put that heat on, AC on, whatever. That's supposed to filter the air. Look at that. Look at that. If you don't change this, all that air coming out your vent. Look at this. Let's pull this out right now. Let's pull this out. Let's pull this out. Let's pull this out. Look at that. Whoa, look at that. This is what's coming out your AC. Look at this. You see how dirty this is? Look at this. You need to change this. Change your cabin air filter, man. Because look at this. You don't want this. You don't want this. Look at this. Oof. I know this person never changed this. Look at this. It's the 03. They probably never changed it since 03. They probably never changed it since 03. They never changed it. Let's take a look inside. Let's take a look inside. Look at that. Look at that. See? So if you don't have that new cabin, you see it? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. All that. Let me zoom in. Look at that. Look at that. You see that? Look at that. See, that shit's so dirty. Look, it's getting clogged. Look at that shit. Shit. They never changed it, so look, it's dirty now. It's dirty. Change your cabin air filter. Alright, let's put it back together. This car is junk, so I'm gonna put the same one back in. So this is how you put it all back together. Put it in there. So just push it in there. Oh shit, dirty. Okay, just push it in there. Just push. See, so dirty. It don't even want to go back in there. So dirty. So dirty. Don't want to go back in there. See that? All right. Take the top, even the top 30. Look at this. God damn. Look at that. All right. You see this? You see this right here? Top first. It goes to the top. You see this right there? Oh, let me move this. See that? Let me see. Let me zoom in. Right there. Goes right on it. You see this hole? This hole right here? Go right on there. On top. Down. Make sure it's like that. You see? Line down. Lined up. Push down. Alright. Push down. Find your clip. Clip right here. Put it right here. Top first, then you just push down. Bam. Yeah, snap. Alright. Just connect this back. Like this. Put this down here. Put this back here. Like that. And put this back so. Alright, let's tighten these bolts. You gotta tighten these, or else shit won't close. Okay, tighten this. Bam. Bam. Another one here. Right there. Bam. Okay, make sure that glove box closed. Sometimes if you don't screw it right, it won't close. Yeah, tighten this one. Tighten this one right here. In the cut. It's in the cut. Tighten that one. These back, the trims. Put the trims back here. Yeah. Should be like this. Okay. Good. This shit up. Okay. Alright, just like that. Okay. Alright. Make sure this closes. Alright, cool. Alright, that was the most common thing people do not change in their car. And some don't even know about it. They just, they go to the mechanic, they just change the air filter, they change the oil, all that, but they don't change that one thing. And that thing gets dirty, and they use the AC, then it's just blowing all that dust dirty to your face, and people put their face in it like it's clean. It's not clean. It's not clean. It's dirty. You're dirty. No, it's not. But yeah. So change that, man. You should change it. Get that clean air. Anytime you change your air filter, change that. If you want to order your cabin filter today, right now, I'll put a link below of your car. If you don't see your car, just type in your car. Alrighty, I got more videos coming, so stay tuned.